all these dresses. Okay, so we're gonna have to hang up all of your dresses because you got a lot. The crib?
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna turn your.
I need something to put all her toys in so I can put it in here.
Yeah.
Mom, where's your chart?
Are you talking about for the bed? Oh, are you bringing up the Halloween stuff, Boo? Oh yeah, Buto, can you help Daddy put all those toys of Jolene's out? It's part of life. I'm breaking down. I'm gonna try and get this done as quick as I possibly can. Yeah, and then we got stuffed animals here. They're gonna take. Trying to get all the clothes picked up. This doesn't even belong in here. This isn't yours. Whew. That's my clothes. Okay, watch out. I gotta pick the rug up. Ooh. Is this where dirty? Let me see. Dirty vacuum. Yeah, I'm just sweeping everything into a big. Sweeping everything. Don't take any toys out. What we'll do?
Get that off.
Right. Do you want this baby?
No.
Okay. Do you want this baby?
No.
Okay. This baby?
No.
This will get rid of its breaking. What about this baby?
No.
Well, you gotta keep some babies. How about this one?
No.
Here, how about this? I'll take them out and you can pick. What about buttons?
Yeah.
This one you want?
Yeah.
Okay. All the babies. One, at least one. What about this cutie little Cabbage Patch baby with the unicorn jammies?
Yeah.
Oh, I love the smell of them. What about this baby?
Yeah.
Okay. This baby?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, JJ.
Yeah. My turn.
You want this baby?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we're gonna have to get rid of her. Look at her hands are chewed off. Oh, the girl unicorn. Oh my gosh. You got the girl and the boy.
Yeah.
They're cute.
Yeah. They're not baby.
Oh, it's a toddler.
Yeah.
What about this kid? You like her? She's cute. You want to keep her Mickey stuff? What about this tiny baby? You want to keep her? You're keeping this one. Do you want the sisters?
Yeah.
You want both? So they go together? Okay. The babies that you're keeping. Okay? They're all going to go back in their house. They're going to go back to bed. And you can play with them later when we're done cleaning.
Stop.
Get rid of bag.
Okay.
Alright, now we're going to get some of these toys out of the closet. We need this in the closet. We need more space out here. Whew, it's hot in here. Okay, we're gonna wipe it down and then we're gonna organize your food. Well, not organize it, but we're gonna put the food, some of it in the fridge. Yeah, because we don't have enough room for all of it in the basket. This goes here. And that can go in the
Mama, this
fridge.
garbage?
What?
This garbage.
Yeah, throw that over there. I'll throw it away. Throw it that way. Okay. All right, here's more plates. More plates. I'm gonna spin. Okay. So if you're gonna play, that's fine, but you have to help keep it organized.
I'm going to organize the bread.
Okay.
Next, I'm going to have to move the cookie.
Oh, this goes to the mixer. Somebody broke this off.
I know. I've been seeing that for like almost a year.
Okay. And then this goes to the blender. Move it. Don't touch it. I don't want you to drop that on yourself. Okay. Here. Where do you want? Colored eggs, you like those, huh? Are those very tasty?
Red ones.
No, this was my work today. The room was my work. Messy room. Ooh. Look at all that dust. All this